In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage your client's accounts using Google Ads Manager accounts in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketing professional or a business owner looking to simplify your ad management, this guide will show you how to oversee multiple accounts from one central location. Let's get started. Head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main hub for managing all your advertising needs. If you're new to Google Ads, the platform is designed to help you attract and engage customers easily with effective online advertising tools. On the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is where you can view and manage all your advertising accounts, performance data, and campaign tools. Next, navigate to the admin section. Think of this as your control center, the place where you can adjust settings, review performance stats, and make important updates to your ad strategies. Find the admin button on your dashboard menu and click it. If you manage multiple accounts, this section is especially useful. Here you can view and control each account separately, making it easier to stay organized and efficient. Now, select Access and Security. This is where you control who has permission to use or manage your accounts. Managing access is critical to keeping your information safe and ensuring that only authorized team members can make changes. It's a good habit to review these permissions regularly. Click Access and Security to continue. Once you're there, it's time to add new users. Adding users allows your team to collaborate on campaigns directly within the platform. In the Access and Security section, click Add and enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Assign user roles carefully. For example, you might give full access to a campaign manager, while a junior team member might only need viewing rights. Setting the right permissions keeps your workflow smooth and secure. Remember, managing a Google Ads Manager account isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Keep an eye on your accounts regularly, review campaign performance, and stay updated with new Google Ads tools and best practices. Doing so helps you maximize results and maintain a strong, consistent advertising strategy across all client accounts. By following these steps, you'll have everything set up to efficiently manage multiple client accounts in one place. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've now connected and prepared your client's accounts under Google Ads Manager. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more quick and practical Google Ads tutorials. Until next time, happy advertising.